Hey there everyone, it's pretty much cold out here, but make sure that you stick to the end of this video because in this video we are gonna discuss a very important thing, especially if you are in college or doing any sorts of learning, be it undergrad, postgrad, or be it in diploma. So we are gonna talk about GitHub Student Pack in this video. So let's get started. Hi. So my college life was pretty boring. I didn't have much friends nor girl. Sorry. So let's talk about GitHub Student Pack. So in college, I usually used to search about various things like free hosting, free domain names, which I can use. What GitHub Student Pack is, GitHub comes with an offer that if you're a student learning undergrad, postgrad, diploma, or any sorts of thing we'll see now, then you can get some benefits from the GitHub site that you can use to learn and explore. So while everyone is in college, they lack various things like resources like domain name, resources like hosting where they can host their websites or apps, resources like courses where they can learn and grow. So what GitHub did is they came up with this student developer pack offer. So they have pretty much various offer for the educators as well, but in this video we are going to talk about especially for student GitHub developer pack. So at the end of this video we'll look into it how we can get this student developer pack as well. The first thing you need to have is official email ID of your college. Like suppose I am studying in an example college, so I should have some rohan@example.com. that's my email ID. If you don't have that, you can also apply it via the ID card you have. You generally scan it and upload to the GitHub's website and they verify and give you the offer. And believe me, the benefits you get in this student pack, it's huge. Like it's more than like $300-400, and the benefits you get is nearly for 1 year or 2 years. So GitHub student pack, the validity of this pack is 2 years. So once you take it, it will be valid for 2 years. Again, if you wanna take it, you need to verify that you are a student of any college, right? So let's look at this how to get it, and we'll talk about my lonely story in some other video as well. Hey everyone, so I'll be a bit small so I can't bore with my lonely story, but let's start looking how we can get the student pack without wasting much time. So just go to Google and type GitHub Student Developer Pack. Okay, I did a typo here, but that's fine. Go to this link education.github.com. so it will bring you in this particular website, right? Once you visit this, you can see that what are the things that GitHub provide as a pack. So for the students as well, this education pack also provides benefits to the educators who are out there teaching students, but we are going to talk about student in this video. So once you have this particular page, you can see various kinds of benefit you will be getting when you are registered to this student GitHub developer pack. Now you can see that you get the access of canva.com, which is typically for graphic designers or anybody looking for some graphic design or doing any sorts of YouTube thumbnail or any kind of thing. So they give their pro tier for 12 months free. It's kind of huge in the field of design. So you can see there are various options you get here. You can either go to mobile, you can design whatever you like. Okay, let's move on. You can see you get a GitHub Pro while you're a student. You get up a domain name, hosting, and registration, 1 year domain name registration on the .me TDL. So you can get a free domain name as well. Go down, you get $50 on the platform credit for new users. Let's move on, and you can see various cloud providers here. It's educative.com where you can get various tutorials related to technology. There is a lots of benefit you get once you get registered, right? So there are lots of benefit you can explore. You can't explore this in one day. You really need to explore, good time to explore this. So let's go and apply for it. So once you have this page, click on this button, get your pack. So it will take to the registration page. It will show your username out here. So this usernames comes from GitHub. So the first thing, you should have a GitHub account and you are enrolled as a student in any of the institute. That two things is required for this pack. So you might get slightly different page out here because I have already registered for it 2 years back and my pack is expired now. So you can see you were last verified as a student on 16th of October 2018 back. It's 2 years now and my GitHub student pack is already expired. So what you can do is you can go there and register again. So if I do submit my information again, you can see that when I was approved as a student, so you will get this form again. So you can select your default email ID out here, or you can add an email address. So I was talking about the official email ID of your college, be it rohan@example.com, or you are studying in any IITs or any of the college, be it for example take IIT Kharagpur, so it might be rohan@IIT Kharagpur. So you can enter that email ID here as well. So it simplifies the process a bit if you enter your official email ID. Again, you mention your college or school or anywhere you're studying, you plan to use GitHub. So this will be reviewed by the people of GitHub to verify that yeah, we should give you the pack or not. So once you have that, if you don't have an email ID, you can also upload this particular thing, have a verifiable school issue email ID, or upload document that prove that you are a current student status. So you can also upload your ID card by scanning it as well. So click this, go here, enter your college name, this, and submit information. That's it. You'll get a mail that you have registered for this, and once it is approved, you'll also get a mail. Then after getting that mail, you will be verified as a GitHub student developer. So you can have every benefit that GitHub gives. So this was a pretty much a small deep dive. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the section as well. I will clarify that as well. So that's it for this video. Hit the subscribe button, like button, or share this video with your college group where they can get the benefit of this pack. I'll see you in the next video, and also we'll take my side story in the next video as well.